So, I recently received a very relatable question from one of our viewers kay Tamaka Tora M. Ang comment po niya sa ating YouTube channel ay ganito. Ako po sir, last payment ko sa GGives noong August 20, nag-payment po ako August 14. Pero bakit po wala pang offer hanggang ngayon? Hindi pa po ako eligible. Ilang days na po ilang days po ba maka-offer ulit si GGives? Tanong lang po. Para sa iyo, Tamaka Tora, at sa lahat ng naka-experience nito, I completely understand your frustration. Siyempre, nagbayad ka nga naman, tapos gusto mo mag-repeat loan, di ba? Nakaka-excite nga naman kasi nga ang aga mo nagbayad at you hoping na magkakaroon ng increase, di ba? You settled it on August 14 instead of your August 20 due date. So naturally, you'd expect a quick replenishment of your GGives limit kagaya sa ibang OLA. It makes sense to think na dahil good payer ka, may instant reward ka, tama ba? Pero here's the reality with how GCash works. Hindi automatic na the moment you pay off your GGives loan in full, magre-refresh agad. Ang offer mo kinabukasan, hindi automatic na the moment you pay off your GGives loan in full, magre-refresh agad ang offer mo kinabukasan. Everything is system generated. Sabihin mo nga system generated. Nakadepende talaga siya sa system evaluation nila. Sa current G-score mo at sa general transaction history mo sa app. To answer your question, Tamara, kung ilang days bago magka-offer ulit, the truth is walang exact or guaranteed number of days. Walang hard rule na after 3 days or after 1 week ay may bagong offer na agad. Walang ganon. System generated. Depende sa kanilang system. Minsan, it takes just a few days. In my case, I remember in just as a minute or second, nandiyan na kagad. Pero minsan, inaabot talaga ng ilang weeks bago mag-update yung system nila para maging eligible ka ulit for a new GGives loan. The best advice ko for you, Tamaka, Tora, is to not worry too much. Huwag ka masyado mag-worry. Since nagbayad ka na in advance, that's already a huge plus for your GCash record. Good payer ka, di ba? Just keep on using your GCash regularly for your day-to-day transactions like paying bills, buying load, or cashing in. Makakatulong yan para ma-maintain or mas tumaas pa ang G-score mo. Eventually, babalik din yan, yung GGives offer na yan sa iyong account. Malay mo, mas malaki, di ba? Hintay-hintay lang muna. It will refresh in its own time. Okay po ba yon? Kung may katanungan po kayo mga kaibigan, please feel free to comment down below. Ako po si Chico. Enjoy the rest of the day and God bless po.